want to be do on a rainy day? How about you guys? What will we do on a rainy day? What should we do? I know. We could look out the window and see all the colors, and I could play I Spy still. Right, Fun? Okay, I spy a bird way over there. I think it wants to swim. That's fine. I found raindrop. Guys, it's been 1 year since I met rain in coronavirus. So we cannot go to the activities. Suppose, and we could make some crafts like these unicorns here. Or you could draw like these pictures. You could study the world map, read multiplications, and make something new. I made this. This is nice for my baby. By the way, where is she? So we could also clean up the mess in our room. So more things we can do is play outside in our garden. You can feel the rain from here going so heavily. So nice. I could play here, ball. Catch, Mom. Catch. Nice catch. Oh, that was interesting. Whoa. I could play with my toys and even swing on a chair. This is funny, right, guys? Oh. It's raining heavily today. Whoa. Okay. Done swinging. I could even ride my scooter. There we go. Whee! Good tiny areas also. Yippee! Whoa, whoa, whoa. I could make some new things to eat for my baby. This is a new addition out of clay. That's an ice cream. And then I made even more sweets. We could draw and exercise with these. I don't know what to do. Did I paint it? And these are for our fingers. We should keep our leg like this. Or we could do it to our hand. I made these milks from Tony Art and Craft. You could either read newspaper, comics. You could sit on the sofa or climb like a monkey everywhere around the house. That's funny. Okay, be careful. Like a monkey. I'm a monkey. Oh, ah, ah. Okay, I will fall down. I should be careful. Don't do this at home. Ask your parents' permission for this. Or sleep quietly. Or eat something. And by playing or writing Hindi. This is my favorite. Or putting makeup from an empty makeup kit. So, can you open it, please, Mom? These are tight. No, I think it's like this. It's just empty. I don't know how. Everything is lost. I I'm teaching school here daily, but it's a rainy day for them to arrive. So I just close them. Or we should see in the mirror. Hello. Hello. I am a robot. I am a robot. Oh, falling down. I am a robot. That's funny. Let's go, guys. Or we could exercise. Running everywhere. Or jumping. Stretching. If you have a swimming pool, after the rain stops, you could swim. Or take out the leaves from the swimming pool. So, I want to do something, Mom. What should I do?
Study.
Study? Oh, that's a great idea. Let's check how much I got. Okay. Not quite enough. Finally, I found the oranges. Honey, it's way over here. Oh yeah, study. There we go. The study book and the pen. So, if you figure out something to do, just do it, guys. Comment down below what other things you can do when it's rain time. Click that notification button, like,